Your Xfinity Home Security system uses a central hub that connects to your Wi-Fi, while sensors communicate with this hub, not directly with your Wi-Fi. To change your Wi-Fi network, use the Xfinity Home app version 5.2 or later, or the web portal. First, log in with your Xfinity credentials. Navigate to the hub settings, select Change Wi-Fi, and enter your new Wi-Fi network name and password. The hub will attempt to connect and reboot if successful. Remember to use strong, unique passwords for security. Most sensors prefer a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, but 5 GHz is also compatible. The SecureNet update from mid-2025 enhances Wi-Fi connectivity with improved mesh networking and automatic cellular backup if Wi-Fi drops. After the hub reconnects to the new Wi-Fi, which usually takes 5 to 10 minutes, your sensors should automatically reconnect to the hub. If a sensor doesn't reconnect, try power cycling it by removing and reinserting the battery. You can also use the Reconnect device feature in the Xfinity Home app. Ensure your hub is within range of the Wi-Fi router for optimal performance. If you face issues, consider that older sensors might need firmware updates. As a last resort, you can perform a factory reset of the hub via the app-guided setup. Statistics show that about 78% of Xfinity Home users successfully change Wi-Fi without needing tech support, with an average completion time of 12 minutes. Xfinity plans to introduce Wi-Fi AutoSync by 2026 for automated network switching. Always refer to Xfinity's official app tutorials or support at xfinity.com/support for hands-on guidance.